everyone from Southern California. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Look at you, like red and white. Right. Good morning, everyone from Southern California, sunny Southern California.
Yes, the sun is very bright today.
Yes, today we are going to be installing these flying insect screens on top of our furnace. This will prevent bugs from building nests inside here, wasps and other nest building insects and so forth. So easy installation, it should be. So let's get started. We are going to put this into these things in here. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, there we go. At least center. Then we're going to use this tool. There we go. Like so.
Let me see, show it again.
Yeah. So
what it looks like.
Yeah. So the tool has that.
Push it and
Right. And you push it like this.
okay.
And wrap it around this little Y intersection. Alright, so let's see if that works. Based on. That's it. There you go.
Okay.
Alright.
Super easy to put on.
That's super easy.
Once you get the trick of it.
Yeah, and that should hold up pretty good.
Yes.
Right? And then you do the next one the same way. Right? Yep. Like so. And there's the action. Put it on there and let go.
Awesome.
Awesome. So there we have it. We have our protectors. I still don't know how well that's going to hold up, but we'll see. We'll see how that holds up in our travels. But I don't know. Right. And we'll see on our first road trip. Okay, so that's it. This is the Camco flying insect screen by Team Roche RV. What's that? There she is. By Team Roche RV. And we have that simple installation. And we are done. All right. Okay, yeah. Oh, by the way, we wanted to give props to Shockey, our buddy that we met in Fort Bragg, was it? Yep.
Fort Bragg, yep.
Fort Bragg, and he's the one who recommended that we get these. So, thanks, Shockey, buddy.
Thanks.
All right.
Tú sabes que yo vivo revoleando, flotando, flotando, motores fuera de regañando.